They go berserk. Cook, Senior Constable Cook from Parramatta Station. Look at him, here he is. Bully boy. Bully boy. Hey, bully boy. I got a torch too, bro. I got a torch too.
If you continue, you're hindering police, okay?
I've got you on camera.
That's fine. You're hindering police, okay? You're being told to move along.
There's CCTV.
Now move along.
Look, there's a camera
Now
right
move
there.
along.
There's a camera right there. I've got you assaulting me. All 5 of you. You've been
Move
treating me
along.
badly.
Move along. Do you understand?
I have not committed a crime. You can't do that to me.
Move on direction.
You have
You were
not.
given a move on direction. If you fail to comply, you'll be arrested and taken to court.
I'm telling you, you have
understand?
not.
Now move. Move.
What is with you? How do you do that?
Do not put it up in my face!
What is this?
They told to move, now move!
This is insane.
You're insane, now move!
I'm the abuser, am I?
I'm telling you now, you're going to get locked up. For what?
How can I
failure
hinder?
to comply.
What
You're
arrest?
in place of execution of their duty.
What arrest am I hindering? Certainly is going to be in a fucking investigation.
Good.
Right, Sergeant, you've broken my equipment. And you still, and he just stepped on it. That's on camera. Yeah, good for you, bloke. That's right. You're an idiot. Look at me. Good for you.